American Chinese food has brought us dishes like orange chicken and chop suey, while Japanese Chinese food has brought the world ramen and karaage. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy Indian Chinese stir fry that mashes up the best parts of both cuisines, so stick around. Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto and I'm here to show you how to elevate your everyday meals, so mash that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Unlike most curries, Chicken Jalfrezi is just a simple stir fry of onions, peppers, and chicken, and it comes together in a matter of minutes. A mix of Indian and Chinese spices gives it this really addictive aroma, and that tomato-based sauce makes it taste way more complex than it actually is. My mouth's watering just thinking about this, so let's get started. For the chicken, I'm using boneless skin on legs, and I'm gonna season that with some salt and pepper. I've also got some vegetable oil, cloves, star anise, cumin seeds, nigella seeds, ginger, and garlic. For the veggies, I'm gonna be adding some onion, mild green peppers, red bell peppers, and tomatoes. Finally, for the curry, I'm gonna be adding some canned whole tomatoes, garam masala, sugar, salt, cayenne pepper, and some cilantro for garnish. Okay, let's start by trimming off any extra fat or tough bits from the chicken. Then we're gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces. I'm using deboned legs today, but you can use other cuts of chicken as well. Let's go ahead and give that a generous sprinkle of black pepper and salt. Next, we want to grate the garlic and ginger into a bowl. This is the base for so many Indian dishes, and Chicken Jalfrezi is no exception. To prep the veggies, I'm going to start off by cutting the onions into 3/4 inch wedges. Then I'm going to remove the seeds and membranes from the green peppers and cut them into 3/4 inch pieces. The red peppers get cut in the same way, and the tomatoes get their cores removed and chopped into 3/4 inch cubes. Last but not least, we're going to puree the canned tomatoes. Okay, the prep's done, so let's brown that chicken in a bit of vegetable oil. I'm gonna start them off skin side down to render out some of that fat from the skin. Once they're nice and brown on that side, I'm gonna flip them over and let them brown a bit on the other side. The chicken doesn't need to be fully cooked through yet, so I'm gonna remove them from the pan, leaving as much oil in the pan as possible. Then we're gonna add the star anise, cumin seeds, nigella seeds, and cloves, and let this fry for a few seconds until they're super fragrant and starting to crackle. Into the spices, we're gonna add the grated garlic and ginger, and stir fry the mixture until it's well browned and starting to caramelize. Okay, this is starting to smell pretty darn good, so let's go ahead and add the onions, peppers, and fresh tomatoes, and we're gonna stir fry this until the tomatoes have disintegrated and they're starting to caramelize. Now we're gonna add the pureed tomatoes, garam masala, sugar, and salt, and spice that up with some cayenne pepper to taste. If you can't take the heat, just leave it out, or if you want it to be face-meltingly spicy, just hit it hard with the cayenne. Okay, let's get the chicken back in there, and we're gonna let this simmer and reduce for a few minutes until it's nice and thick. I've obviously sped the footage up here a bit, but the total cooking time, including browning the chicken, took just over 10 minutes. That's looking perfect, and the aroma in my kitchen is just ridiculous. Chicken Jalfrezi is one of my favorite Indian dishes, and it's not just because it's easy to make. Because it's stir-fried rather than stewed, the veggies retain their vibrant colors and crunchy texture, and the chicken stays plump and juicy. The combination of the star anise and nigella seeds with the more traditional Indian spices gives this curry a unique fragrance that reveals its mixed heritage. I like serving my chicken jalfrezi with naan, but it's also really good with rice, and I've even been known to serve this with pasta. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by giving this a big thumbs up. And if you have friends that love a good curry, send them a link to this video so they can check it out too. As always, thanks so much for watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss my next delicious episode. All right, I'm gonna go grill up some naan to have with this jalfrezi, but I'll catch you in the next one. Check us out on Instagram at No Recipes.